Hi YouTubers, what's up? How you doing? Sorry for the delay for getting a new video out. Usually I do it Monday, but since today is Thursday, I'm going to put it out today. The most funny thing happened yesterday. My cat Cosmo, which is the big honest cat, was being weird and playing with one of my daughter's toys. He decided to bite at it and everything. It's freaking hilarious. Let me just show you real quick right here. 3, 2, 1.
You went and checked it out, and this was the result.
You can't even see any footprints. I mean, we're talking about sand, so if someone walked over and actually put that there, it would be difficult, to cover up the footprints later.
You're right, and it's huge. And it's really, really deep in the sand, so it's not like someone can go out and do this in a night.
Growing up in Texas, I would always hear about these UFO sightings out in West Texas, and sure enough,
Now, wasn't that funny? It was stuff like he was doing weird stuff beforehand, and when I got up against the camera, he was acting all weird and wouldn't do anything. And then it started up again, and I managed to start shooting again. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and later, so I'll see you then.
I'm kind of disappointed, I hate to say, because I like the case. I was hoping it would have been something else.
Yeah.
Bill, I hear that you have a really good
I do have a good one.